Okay, this is, what day is it? This was happening the other day. It's Friday. Friday about 3:30 p.m. This is between two buildings on Secline. On the corner here between the apartment building, it's basically a flood. And the whole street is basically flooding. All this here drains to the lake. This isn't paved. And here's a big green area. Water probably should be flowing through here in a stream like Flushing. There's lightning going on, by the way. So, and basically, say this is a 100-year flood, but actually it happened last week, so it's not the first time, it's the second time this happened. I came by last time and I didn't have my camera, so I couldn't film it. Now I'm just going to walk around and check everything out. This is in Tahoe, Kings Beach. It's called Secline. There's a beach at Kings Beach called Secline. More than one beach. I guess it's a big city. Yeah, that's where the water's flowing out down the street. Over down there is Ferrari, Dave, and here's Secline. That's what it looks like. I came out here a week ago. It was hailing. This time it seemed like the hail stopped, but there's still a huge puddle. Anyway, apparently it's called Lake Tahoe. It's getting filled up with some water. I'm hoping this is still recording. Anyway, so here we go to the lake where the water is flowing. The water drains to the lake. Big puddle. Big puddle here. Whoop, there's some lightning. Oh, look at this. That's unusual. It's noisy, bugger. Must be lightning around here somewhere. Let's see. A few windy. There's the street. This is Secline, where the water's flowing to, down to the lakes. Anyway, somewhere it gets filtered. That's what they mean by drains lakes. The end. It's the end of the world as we know it. Alright, so there's water. Water flowing. Last time I was here. Look at this. Just notice. It's a modern times. Here's the river that's actually not the river. The river is actually behind me. It's called Griff Creek. This is not Griff Creek. This is Secline Creek. Secline Creek. Look, hey, this is what it's supposed to be doing. It's flowing sideways, which is good. It's channeling, hopefully getting filtered out all that scum for the people who smoke and their dogs. Ew, that's the grossest part. Gotta watch out for dog poop. Here we go, down to the lake. Wow. Oh, can I tell you about the drought? I heard there was a drought. Not much water. I think they're fooling. Look, it's raining. Must be all better now. Looks like it's all better, doesn't it? Oh, maybe not. Am I mistaken? Shoot, can't be right. Wrong. Can't be right. Cannot be wrong. Oops. It's dried up. Actually, it's stopped. raining, believe it or not. The other, when I was here a week ago, whoa! There's rocks out here. Careful the rocks. It's out here a week ago, and I was standing in a. Ooh, there goes some lightning. See how long it takes. You counting? 2, 3, 4. Boom! Okay, so here's the lake. I actually walked out into here. Kind of like wet. Last time I didn't have my flip-flops, so it's kind of scary. Anyway, oh, it feels warm. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice lake other than the rocks. It should be swimming by now. What's 6 feet times 22 times 13? How much water is that? Here's the shore. Back to where I was. Oh my gosh, look, we're missing something. Here's the shoreline. So, here we go, Tahoe. Yay! Say goodbye now. Cheers.